Alright guys, so if you end up liking this video or just like my videos, just to let you know, I am on Facebook, I am on Twitter, I'm on Instagram. I'll put the links to my handles below. I was talking to somebody and they were like, hey, your ad on Facebook was great, I didn't know you had a Facebook page. And then he was like, you really should, you know, mention it in one of your videos. Well, yeah, obviously, but I guess I haven't, so thanks, Kyle. I appreciate the tip. Pretty sure it was Kyle. We have a Rhode Island lawn chat, and I'm pretty sure there's like 50 Kyles in there, and they all talk together, and so I just assume everybody's name is Kyle, so. Which I actually did meet one of the guys there, and yeah, it was pretty neat to see somebody and talk lawn in person. But anyways, on to the tip. So this is what I do. The summertime, it's starting to finally cool down, so a lot of people will be overseeding or they'll be doing lawn renovations now. Me, the lawn is in pretty good shape. I just need to get it revived, and so I like to use Milorganite. Today I'm using State Fertilizer, which is the Quincy, Mass version of Milorganite. There's also Ocean Grow in New Jersey. Especially with the shortages this year, having local versions is great, but you also save a ton of money. So State Fertilizer is $3.50 a bag, so you really can't beat it. I'll try to remember to put a link to that too. But basically what I do is I dump it down. So essentially what I'm doing here is I'm using a slow release fertilizer to start the feeding back up, and then September 1st is when we can start watering anytime. That's when I'm going to start using the synthetic fertilizers. I'll probably alternate because this stuff it's just really good for the soil as well and has iron in it, but then the synthetics give it other nutrients that are lacking, and I'll be doing the RGS products and all that stuff. But right now it's just giving it a little bit to start warming up, even though it's cooling down. But anyways, getting the lawn back into growth mode without getting it too much, because technically I can't water anytime yet. And then come September 1st, I'm gonna water like crazy to get all the dormant areas to come back to life. Then we'll be having a lot of fun. As always, when applying Milorganite or State Fertilizer, fill it up, put it on the max setting, and go to town. Now I'm gonna pull these all open because I was playing with them.
You've got mail.
I've got mail. All right, we are ready to go. I gotta tell you, the spreader, so much easier to use. Almost the entire bag in 2 passes. Got the whole yard covered because each pass is basically that width. I did do some overlap. RB80, boom. So this section gets shade and is definitely the best section of the yard. That's some raspberries that I went to town on because I got tired of getting prickered while trying to mow. All right, so I'm looking for suggestions here. What do you do to keep spreading vegetables from spreading into the lawn? It's driving me nuts. I'm thinking about doing raised beds for my wife for next year, but I don't know. I feel like they would just come out of the beds anyway. So what do you guys do? All right, so that's my for today. I hope you enjoyed it. I think I'm gonna go sit by the flowers. Alright, I appreciate you guys watching my videos. If you liked it, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe, comment, all that fun stuff. It's what makes this really enjoyable and fun, making all these videos. And be sure to check out the ones below. Have a great day. Bye.